Show me the meaning of being lonely. So many words for the broken heart. It's hard to see in a crimson night. So hard to breathe. Walk with me and maybe nights of light so soon become wild and free. I could feel the sun. Your every wish will be done. They tell me, show me the meaning of being lonely. It's just a feeling I need to walk with. Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart.